Hello, my name's Richard from County Battery Services. Today, somebody's asked me how to fill a YB non-sealed motorbike battery. You may have seen our other video where we fill a YTX battery, but these are a little bit different. First, we need the battery. Here's what you get inside the box. There's the battery. This one is a YB4LB. Then you have the acid pack, 1280 gravity. This is the vent pipe to take away any exhaust gases the battery may produce. A spare set of bolts for the terminals. You won't need these until you fit the battery. A set of instructions about the battery, including filling instructions, although we think we can do that better. Here are some tools you might find useful. Pliers for removing the filler caps. Small pair of snips for cutting the top off the acid bottle. Screwdriver flathead. Safety glasses in case of acid splashing. Some sort of protective gloves. Step 1 is safety. We must wear all the appropriate personal protective equipment. Remove the filler caps. So now we take the red pipe that comes with the battery and we cut a point on the end. This we push into the gas pipe. Once that's in, lay that to one side, and now we've got to take the top off the top of the acid. So very carefully trim the top off there, like so. Then your pipe will push on like so. You can then take your filler cap, and if you raise the level of the battery, of the electrolyte, and now you can see the battery filling. Now the battery wants filling up to, you see the top line there. Then the next cell. So as you squeeze the electrolyte, you can see it going down the tube, and at any time you can stop by just releasing that pressure. It gives you full control. When you fill the battery, leave it to soak for a while, as sometimes the levels drop. Make sure that they're all topped up to the relevant point. Remove the gas pipe from the bottle and wash it out and make sure that there's no electrolyte left in it. Replace the filler caps. Leave the battery for about 20 minutes at room temperature for the battery to come up to voltage. If it's colder than room temperature, this process might take longer. You can then replace the exhaust pipe or leave it until you fit the battery. You now have one filled battery ready to use. Thank you for watching our video. If you'd like more information, please visit our website www.countybattery.co.uk or call one of our experts on 01623 757 377.